guys, welcome to Apex Motorhome. Subscribe now, drop a comment, hit the like button, and press the bell icon. And trust me, don't skip this video because it's going to be amazing. Hey guys,
Freeze your screen right now because nothing on earth compares to what you are about to witness. This is the 2027 Kenworth 8-story motorhome, the world's biggest, tallest, and most luxurious RV ever created. This rolling skyscraper is not just a motorhome. It is a moving 7-star mansion designed for billionaires who think normal luxury is boring. Finished in a stunning dark white, black, and gold color combination, this giant tower dominates every highway like a futuristic palace on wheels. And trust me, by the end of this tour, when this monster transforms into a floating luxury yacht in the middle of the ocean, your mind is going to be blown. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where insane luxury becomes reality. The exterior alone looks more expensive than an entire Beverly Hills mansion. The massive dark white body shines under the sunlight while deep gloss black panels stretch across all 8 floors. Gold chrome lines wrap around the edges like jewelry on a supermodel. Giant smoked panoramic windows cover the sides from top to bottom, giving every level breathtaking views of the outside world. Golden LED strips glow across the body at night, making the entire motorhome look like a luxury skyscraper cruising through America. The oversized wheels feature glowing gold rims, while the advanced air suspension makes this giant tower glide smoothly like a private jet on the road. Retractable balconies slide outward from multiple floors, and hidden solar panels power many of the smart luxury systems inside. Now let us enter the lower garage level. This floor is absolutely insane. A luxury supercar garage stores 2 exotic vehicles beside custom electric bikes and hidden storage compartments. The walls glow with soft golden ambient lighting while polished black marble floors reflect every detail beautifully. At the rear sits a private bedroom featuring a king-size floating bed wrapped in gold trim and soft cream leather panels. The bedroom includes a giant curved window, smart mood lighting, and a ceiling filled with tiny LED stars. Beside it is a luxury bathroom with black marble walls, golden sinks, heated floors, and a waterfall rain shower surrounded by glowing glass panels. Even the kitchen on this floor looks unbelievable with black and gold cabinets, hidden appliances, and a glowing marble countertop. The second floor feels like a luxury penthouse apartment in New York City. Massive sofas surround a futuristic fireplace while panoramic windows reveal incredible highway views. The bedroom on this level includes a rotating king bed, velvet walls, golden ceiling lights, and a giant smart TV hidden behind mirrored glass. The bathroom looks like a 5-star spa with gold rain showers, floating vanities, perfume displays, and a deep soaking bathtub finished in black marble. The kitchen includes smart refrigerators, touchscreen controls, and glowing gold shelves holding crystal glassware. The third floor focuses completely on relaxation and peace. A full luxury massage room sits at the center with heated massage tables, calming waterfall walls, and soft music flowing through hidden speakers. Nearby, another stunning bedroom includes silk bedding, golden wall accents, and panoramic windows stretching from floor to ceiling. The attached bathroom features steam showers, golden mirrors, heated towel systems, and automatic fragrance technology. Even the kitchen on this level feels luxurious with black stone counters and elegant gold lighting. Moving higher, the 4th floor transforms into a private fitness paradise. Modern gym equipment lines the walls beside digital smart mirrors and recovery systems. After workouts, guests can enter a spa-style bathroom featuring cold therapy showers and glowing marble sinks. The bedroom here includes sporty luxury styling with black leather walls, golden trim lighting, and an adjustable king bed facing giant windows. The kitchen includes energy drink stations, healthy food storage, and sleek black cabinets. The 5th floor becomes the ultimate entertainment level. A private cinema with reclining leather seats and surround sound creates a full Hollywood experience. Nearby sits a futuristic gaming lounge with holographic displays and racing simulators. The bedroom includes cinematic mood lighting and a luxury floating bed surrounded by glowing gold panels. The bathroom features illuminated mirrors and luxury spa showers, while the kitchen includes snack bars and hidden beverage coolers. The 6th floor is dedicated to health and wellness. This futuristic medical suite includes advanced treatment technology, emergency systems, and smart health monitoring equipment. The bedroom feels calm and peaceful with soft lighting and relaxing ocean-themed interiors. A luxury bathroom includes therapy showers and heated marble flooring. The kitchen focuses on healthy gourmet meals with premium appliances. The 7th floor becomes the executive business suite. Giant digital screens, conference areas, and panoramic office spaces create the perfect billionaire workspace. The presidential bedroom on this level is breathtaking with massive glass walls, golden ceiling designs, and luxury silk interiors. The bathroom includes double rain showers and a glowing black marble jacuzzi beside panoramic windows. The kitchen feels like a private chef restaurant with gold-finished appliances and elegant dining space. Finally, we reach the unbelievable rooftop deck. A giant glass-enclosed infinity swimming pool stretches across the roof beside luxury lounge seating and a rooftop kitchen bar. As the sun sets, golden lights reflect across the dark white exterior while music fills the air from hidden speakers. But then comes the craziest moment of all. Massive flotation systems activate beneath the motorhome as it slowly drives directly into the ocean. Stabilizers extend outward while the giant wheels disappear beneath the water. Within seconds, the world's tallest RV transforms into a floating luxury palace drifting across the sea under glowing golden lights. This is not just an RV anymore. This is the future of luxury living itself. Subscribe to Apex Motorhome because the impossible lives here every single day.